everyone, I'm Amanda with Sweet Pieces, and today I want to talk to you about how you can very quickly and very easily update your holiday decor. So we're going to be using a couple of products we carry here at Sweet Pieces. The first one is our amazing Jolie paint. Super, super easy to use. No sanding, no stripping, no priming. You know, this is very much like the chalk. It is a chalk style paint, but it's all the rage right now, and this is far our favorite brand, and it's super, super easy to use. So I started with these metal snowflakes, which look pretty industrial as is, and we're actually getting ready to do our holiday windows, so we needed something that was going to pop a little bit more than this, and our theme this year is black, gold, and white because those are our brand colors. So the first thing I did was I just dry brush a little bit of white paint on this. I'm using Jolie in pure white. Take my little mini brush, which is one of the products available on the website if you're looking. Just take this and dab, dab, dab. So, I mean, this took me 5 to 7 minutes to do maybe 12 or 13 of these. Super, super easy. Paint dries in 15 minutes. So as soon as I'm done with this, I can flip them over and go ahead and start with the next step. So I love glitz, I love glam, so these are getting a bit of a foil treatment. So the way we're going to do this is the first step is leaf and foil size. So size is a glue. It makes the surface tacky and sticky to accept the foil. This is very similar to gold leafing, except in my opinion it's better because it's not as messy or flaky as typical gold leafing. So we sell this by the roll. We also sell it by the foot. So if you have a small project, you can just order, it's $1 a foot, super economical. So this is just a little sheet that I have, but these are the rolls. If you order the whole roll, it's 200 feet. We sell a lot of rolls. People sometimes will do ceilings or whole pieces of furniture. So it's great for that. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a little brush. I'm using a 1-inch chip brush, and now anywhere that you put the size is where your foil, your metallic, is going to stick. So I kind of want these to be a little bit haphazard. I want some of the white to show through. I want it to be a little bit of gold. So I'm just taking my brush and I'm applying it similar to the way that I applied my paint. Now, if I wanted this to be solid, I could just, do it more solid with the foil, with the size, excuse me. But that is not how I want to do it. So I'm just blotting, blotting, blotting. When you can see in the can here, this starts off white. So when it goes on, it's going to start white, and then when it's ready, it's actually going to turn clear. It's going to go from wet and mushy to tacky and sticky. When it's tacky and sticky, that's when it's ready. So wet and mushy, not ready. Tacky, sticky, ready. Very technical. Okay, so these two snowflakes here, I have already applied my leaf and foil size to. And then, I don't think you can hear this, but let me try. Do you hear that snapping sound? That tells me it's ready. So my hand isn't mushing around, it's tacky and sticky. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foil. So this side you can see is not gold, and this side is gold. What this is it's basically compressed mica powders onto a sheet of cellophane. So I know this seems counterintuitive, but you're going to take the matte side and put it down. Now you could do this one of two ways. You could do it flat like this. Okay, are you ready for the magic? You're going to rub it down. You ready? Are you ready? And you're going to peel it away. Oh, these are so pretty. So you could do it that way where you lay it flat, or you can take this and kind of crumple it up and just go around and dab it. So either way, totally fine. You could take a burnishing tool or something to kind of rub it to get it here and there. And you can see, oh, these are going to be so pretty in the window. If you live close, and you get to drive by our windows, you'll get to see these beauties in the window. If you don't live close, I'm very, very sorry. So now let's say that this is just not enough gold for me. I don't know about you guys, but like I'm feeling like this is just not enough gold. So simple fix, I'm just going to go back to my leaf and foil size, and I'm just going to add a little bit more. I'm going to go right over it. Now again, wherever I put the size, that's where it's going to stick. So before, when I put the size on, maybe I just wasn't liberal enough with it. So dab, 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 I just wait a few minutes, and then I could go back over this. Now what's cool about this is that we actually carry like 4 or 5 different colors of this. So we have a silver and a gold, and we have bronze and turquoise and black. You can layer all different colors. So on top of this gold, if I want to do silver, I could do that. I could put bronze. So let me show you what that looks like. This is a cute little pair. It started off gray, this like gray cement, and we layered a few of the colors on it. Look how cool that looks. So that's one way to do it. This is another example of a cute little holiday decor piece that we did. We just, foiled the rooftop here. So you can really, if you feel like any of your holiday decor is a little bit blah, this is a super easy way to just add a little glitz and glam. So I already applied leaf and foil size to this guy as well. And you can see this one is taking it a little bit more. Ooh, so pretty. So after you add your foil and you have as much glitz and glam as you want, if it were me, I need lots of glitz and glam, so I might go over these a few times. Then you're going to go ahead and seal it. So sometimes your pieces, if you have put a little bit of size on them, they'll still be a little bit sticky because not all the size has been used up. So you need to seal it. We recommend using some sort of a top coat. We love the Artisan Enhancements clear finish for this. It keeps it a little bit shinier. Or you can even use the high performance top coat, which is another one of our favorite top coat products by General Finishes. So if I'm ever doing it with the General Finishes, then I like to use the gloss finish because I feel like, it just maintains that metallic-y glow to it. So literally, as soon as you're done foiling, you can seal it with your top coat. You don't have to wait for it to dry. There's no drying or anything like that. And these kinds of projects are like totally up my alley because I barely have any patience. So I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait for things. I want them to be done easy peasy, really fast. So these are great products to be able to do that. So here we go. Here's our little, now this stuff is sticky. I actually used the leaf and foil size while this was down. So look at how that glistens and glimmers. Isn't that fun? Can you see that on camera? Mm-hmm. And then that's how we started. This is how we finished. Super, super fun. I would just take my brush, dip it into my clear finish. I gave this a good stir, and then I would just go over this. Now, when you put this on right away, see how it's kind of dulling it out a little bit? And you're like, well, I don't want it to be dull. Don't worry. When it dries, it won't be dull anymore. So just dab, dab, dab. Let this dry. Michelle's going to be so happy with me because she can get these in the window. Stat! And there you go. Simple, easy holiday projects with your awesome DIY products that you use for your furniture as well. So we have these cute little toy soldiers. I don't know if you guys can see these. Let me move him over. And I don't know, what do you think? We're thinking about doing these little guys in white and a little bit of black and some gold. So I don't know, you'll have to check back with us and see if we did it and what they actually look like. So these will be in the window, and we hope you'll come visit us this holiday season. We have a lot of really exciting things going on. I know it's been a while since we did a video. We will be back. We're back now. We're going to be doing lots more videos, and we have so many more exciting things in store. We're now a full-service design center, so we can help you with your entire home, top to bottom, custom furniture, that's sofas, chairs, sectionals, love seats, ottomans, all customized completely to your liking. We do window treatments. We have Hunter Douglas and Graber, and all kinds of fabrics, reupholstery. And then, of course, DIY isn't going anywhere. We're going to still be here to help you with all that other good stuff, wallpaper, fabrics. So we're so excited. Come visit us. So much is going on. We can't wait to meet you. We hope you have an awesome holiday season. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Want to learn more? Subscribe now.